Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open Outlook and select Calendar from the bottom left navigation. Click New Meeting or New Appointment to start a new invite. Enter a clear, concise title for the event in the subject field. Choose the date and pick a start time such as 10:00 a.m. to set timing. Specify the duration explicitly, for example 30 minutes, or set start and end times. Add a physical location or online link in the location field so attendees know where to go. Add attendees by typing names or email addresses in the to or optional fields. Use the scheduling assistant to compare calendars and pick a slot that works for everyone. Mark attendees as required or optional to clarify expectations. If the meeting is remote, click Teams Meeting or add an online link in the location field. Verify the meeting time zone if attendees are in different zones to avoid confusion. Set a buffer by choosing a start time. Write a concise agenda in the message body so attendees know the meeting goals. Attach necessary files, for example a one-page agenda or a presentation, using the Attach File button. Set a reminder, commonly 15 minutes, so attendees receive a prompt before start. Choose recurrence if this is weekly, such as every Monday, and select end date if needed. Configure Show as to busy so calendars block the time. Click Send to distribute invites, and use Edit Meeting to update details or Cancel Meeting to withdraw it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.